Okay, you probably know this. You know all these. What is Beethoven's favorite fruit?
I don't know what Beethoven's favorite fruit is. It's undocumented. What is it, Katie?
Banana. Hey.
This is the Musical Wonders broadcast, featuring special guest host, Katie Silcott.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Musical Wonders broadcast, which is a show made for music teachers by music teachers.
That's right, and we have a special guest host today. You just heard from her. It's Katie Silcott.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for having me, Stephen. I'm happy to be here.
So can you tell everybody where you teach and what you teach?
Yes, I am here in Central Ohio. I teach in a suburb of Columbus. I teach at Shanahan Middle School, which is 6th through 8th grade, and I teach vocal music.
So we've got an amazing show for you guys today. We've got clips from all over the country. But first, we're going to talk about the 5 weirdest gifts you've ever received, Katie. And I understand you brought them with you?
Yes, I have them. I'm ready.
And now, weird gifts from students.
So you'll see a theme with some of these because my kids are silly and they're all, well, you know, middle school, they're silly. So this was one of my best. It was Christmas gift of 2023. It is a stamp. And when you see, I don't know if you ever, do you have a stamp, Stephen? There it is.
I have a... Oh, it's a stamp of you.
Yeah, and it says, except I didn't get the right part. Hold on. So when I sign yearbooks or stamp papers, Silcott approved. Look at
that. Silcott approved.
Okay, then this is also fun. I don't know if you've seen this. This is out. Like if you Google it, you could buy it. Have you seen the 30-second dance party?
Oh, no.
It's great. 30 seconds is longer than you think. Here it is.
30-second dance party.
Oh, that's good.
It's good. It's loud. This one's like total rave. There's a bunch of different ones.
So you don't know which 30-second dance party you're going to get?
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, it's a surprise. I think there's like 5. Wait. It's really fun.
Dance party is Silcott approved.
Yeah, so I like so far your students have given you really useful things.
Useful things. Okay,
useful,
that's perfect,
very useful.
Perfect segue because the next one, this is also like, I don't know, you don't know me very well, but I'm a fun lady, but they love to have my face on things. So this is me on a pillow. But like you said, I don't know why it, like I thought it would be the student, like the student's face on the pillow, but it's me.
Oh, no, they thought you really needed a pillow of your own face.
Which is funny because for my son's band director, I got him a bobblehead of himself and he kind of was like, and that was the first time I was like, okay, wait, I should have got you a bobblehead of my kid. And then you could have had my kid forever. But I don't know. I love it.
Do you use the pillow? Does it go on your sofa?
No, it's just in my room. I just keep it in my classroom. I took it home and my family was like, what? What is this? So it just stays here. This is a gift. This was like honorable mention. This one I brought. This is music paper. This is a song. Someone made this.
Oh my goodness.
And I tried to sing it. It's from, I think it looks like a hymnal. Looks like a church hymnal.
Yeah, that's what I was imagining is a church hymnal. It's church hymnal recycling.
Church hymnal recycling, yeah. And it's got multi-layers. It's got some trees.
So they made this.
They
definitely made this.
Was made, yeah. So that was fun.
That's cool.
And then, okay, yeah. I feel like
that one's not weird. That one's precious.
It's precious, yeah.
It's precious.
This is Roger Emerson. If band friends don't know him as well, but he's a famous choral arranger. He doesn't look like this at all, but a kid made this for me in art class. Hopefully Roger Emerson will be on your show and you could meet him. But he knows about this doll. His head fell off, but he has a little hat.
Roger Emerson approved.
Okay, this was just given to me. I even have the video of the kid giving it to me if you want to show. You might have seen this, but I pledge allegiance to
Oh my gosh.
There she is. Amazon.
That's so good. That's so
again,
good.
like, I'm not like a diva teacher. I'm not like, oh, you all hail me. I'm kind of I'm a very silly person, but this was fun to see there.
It's too good. It's just too good. And it's pink.
It's pink. Yeah. And a kid wrote a pledge. It's really cute.
You have to read the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the Songs of Shanahan Choir and to the musicians who sing together, one family singing songs, making memories with music and friendship for all.
That's fantastic.
Good.
Well done. Well done, kids.
Hey there, you! Yes, you with the phone. Did you know that Musical Wonders is more than just a show? At musicalwonders.org, you can find out about our free creative music making lesson plans, resources, and teacher workshops. Check it out and remember, when students are given the freedom to create, everybody benefits.
All right, so you know a lot of amazing teachers, don't you, Katie?
I do. So many.
I know a lot of amazing teachers too. And among those teachers is my friend, Mr. Matthew Treviño here in San Antonio. He's a phenomenal elementary music teacher. And I called him up and said, hey, can you send me a clip of something cool that you do with your program that you want the other elementary music teachers to know about? And this is what he sent me.
Hey, my name is Matthew Treviño and I'm an elementary music teacher. I just want to tell you about something very cool, the drum set. So you can be singing a folk song, you could be doing a dance, you can be playing xylophones, ukuleles. Once you add drum set, things just kind of lock in and it's just a really cool experience. When this electronic drum kit was donated, it really changed the trajectory of our music program and really helped us reach new heights. I began by giving a simple drum lesson to all of the kids in the school, and for some it really stuck. And we were able to build off of that. For others, it was just a big work in progress. Either way, we were able to benefit quite a bit from having an electronic drum kit. Even just adding the kick drum to the steady beat really makes things sound cool. I encourage you to incorporate drum set into your class. It's a game changer.
Yeah, so how about that? He's taking and making sure that even though he's really got access to like one drum set at a time, that there's an opportunity for those kids in his elementary music class.
And at that age is so perfect. They are like so brave and so confident, and they're learning how to coordinate their hands and legs and keep a beat. That is so cool. That's so neat that he was able to infuse that into his class.
Do you remember your elementary music teacher?
I do. But we didn't have music. I mean, I'm sure it's like this now too. Like we didn't have music every day. So I remember a couple little songs. I remember a little bit about the xylophones, but not much. How about you?
Yeah, my elementary music teacher, her name's Joy Ivy. We still keep up. And what's amazing is that I used to think that really my interest in music had come from like middle school onward when I started playing an instrument and was in band. But I recently found, some stuff from elementary where it was very obvious that music was my favorite class the entire time. And so I'm really grateful to have people like Matt Treviño and Joy Ivy that are doing what I would argue is probably the most important work in all of music education. A toast to elementary music teachers. Here, it's my cup of pencils. There we go.
Oh, yes.
A toast to the elementary music teachers.
Totally. Yes. Those kids look forward to that class all the time, for sure. Here's drummer Katie when she was in 6th grade.
Oh, you played drums in 6th grade?
I did. That was when I started band. I loved it. It was a blast. I got that. My grandma got me that drum set, and I played at my wedding. I played a little song with my music friends at my wedding.
Katie, thank you so much for being our special guest host today. You were wonderful.
Oh, Stephen, thank you for having me. This was so fun, and I hope to be back again. I know I got plenty of silly stories to share, but that's kind of who we are, right? Musical Wonders is a product of the Willis Wonderland Foundation, whose mission is to empower the next generation of artists. Find out more at musicalwonders.org.